When the crown restoration becomes the problem, masking endodontic failures or errors. Hello, I am Marwan Aboras. Sometimes the problem is not the endodontic treatment or what's in the root canal. It's the crown, especially when it is newly placed or when the patient finances make us reluctant to remove it. In this case, a 1-year-old crown covered an inadequate endodontic treatment with AP, with apical periodontitis, developed after the treatment. The AP flared up. Apical surgery was performed. Symptoms resolved. The radiolucency appeared to healing. 1 year later, a fistula appeared away from the tooth. The fistula was tracked. It went back to the surgery site. A second apical surgery was performed. The patient was satisfied, happy. Everything went okay for 2 years. Periodontal tissue looks great. Everything is fine. Everything is normal. But biologically, something was going on. And then, unexpectedly, 2 or 3 years later, actually, without a schedule, the patient is back in my office with a coin envelope in his hand. In the coin envelope is the fractured crown and the tooth. It has split, and the roots in the mouth. This case forces us to confront a difficult question. When does a crown protect a tooth? Or when does it conceal a failure? Thank you for listening. Let's get in.